Hi, I'm Drew Valins with Satellite Test Prep, and today we're going to take a look at a challenging coordinate system question. Let's take a look. In the figure, line OB is to be rotated counterclockwise, keeping point O fixed. What will be the coordinates of point B when it first meets the y-axis? If you want to try this question on your own without my help, go ahead and pause it right now. So, first thing we want to do when there's a question with a lot of words is we want to underline our key math vocabulary words, the important words. So, line OB, which is here, is to be rotated counterclockwise, that's the direction, keeping point O fixed. What will be the coordinates of point B when it first meets the y-axis? So those are our words. Underlining helps us understand what's going on. So, the task is that we are going to rotate this line counterclockwise until it meets the y-axis, which is this line. And when it meets the y-axis, our line B will look like this. And there's B. So, we need to figure out what the coordinates of this point will be. How do we do that? Well, in order to know the coordinates of this point, we're going to have to know how long this line is, which is the same as how long this line is. We need to know how to figure out the length of a diagonal line on a coordinate system. Now, we don't need any fancy equations. A lot of times people think that on the SAT you need to know a lot of fancy equations. You don't need to know the distance formula, for example. All you need to know is to look for shapes. And this makes a triangle. The length here is 3. And the length here is 4. And I got that from the coordinates 3, negative 4. And if we have a triangle that's 3, 4, we know that the hypotenuse is 5. So therefore the length of this line is 5. And the coordinate is going to be 0, 5. Choice E. If you have any questions or comments about this question, leave them down below in the comments area.